student, welcome to this video. Myself Lasmikant Kurmakar. How are you? I think all of you are fine. Okay, we decide to complete or discuss the solution of the vector analysis by M.R.Spiegel book. Okay, we decide to solve the supplementary problem of these books one by one. In this video, we will discuss about the problem number 1.31 to 1.36 of this chapter 1 of part 1. ভেক্টর অ্যানালিসিসের স্পাইজেলের যে বুকটা আছে যেটা মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর দি আইআইটি জ্যাম অ্যান্ড ফর বিএসসি অলসো ফর দ্য ডিটেল অফ দিস ভেক্টর অ্যানালিসিস or vector quantity or vector algebra, you can say. For this is the most important books in case of physics honors or mathematics honor or any competitive exam regarding this physics or mathematics. Mainly if you tell about the IIT JAM, this is also important books. So that's why we decide to complete the supplementary problem one by one. To in this video we discuss the chapter 1, which is regarding for vector and scalar quantity, and in this is a part number 1. We want to solve the supplementary problem 1.31 to 1.36, and the subsequently we in the forwarded video or the in the next video we will completed the total part of this book or of the supplementary problems. Okay, so let's start of the question. This is the question number 1.31, and for your kind information, this is the taken from the books of M.R.Spiegel of second edition. This is from taken from the second edition. Okay, so in the first question, what it says, determine the which of the following are scalar and the vector. Which of the are the scalar and vector? I categorize in the scalar and vector. Okay, so kinetic energy is scalar. Electric field intensity, this is vector. Entropy is scalar. Work is also scalar. Centripetal force is vector. Temperature is scalar. Charge is scalar. Shearing stress is vector, and frequency is scalar. Okay. For your more information, I want to tell, so shearing stress or H is no is a vector in this context, but actually this is a tensor. Okay, what is tensor? Tensor is the generalized coordinate system or generalized quantity. If you say the rank of tensor is 3, then the quantity, independent quantity, is 3 to the power n. If rank of tensor is n, then number of independent coordinate or the quantity coordinate is 3 to the power n. Suppose suppose for scalar rank is 3. This is the tensor rank, and this is the number of independent coordinate. Okay, number of independent coordinate. If you say tensor rank 0, so number of coordinates is 0, which is 1, and this is the known as the scalar. Okay, so for scalar is nothing but tensor of rank 0, and if the rank is 1, this is 3 to the power 1, that is 3, and this is known as vector. So vector is a special case of a tensor. For rank 2, this is 3 to the power 2, that is 9. This is tensor rank 2. This is known as tensor rank 2. So for the tensor rank 0 and for the tensor rank 2 is named as scalar and vector respectively, and the other tensor not says about tensor rank 2, tensor rank 3, so on. The shearing stress is a tensor rank 2. This is the tensor rank 2. In detail we will learn in the mechanics where we says the shearing stress, shearing strain. In this chapter, we will discuss details of this tensor quantity. But in this question, this is taken as the vector equivalent. Okay. Next, an airplane. Next question says that an airplane 100 miles due west. So the plane go to the west. Go to the west. The plane go to the west 200 miles. Then 150 miles north of west. North of west. So this is west. North of west. So like that. Like that. This is north of west 150 miles. Okay, and this angle is 60 degree north of west. So from west towards the north is 60 degree. Okay, determine the resultant of this displacement. Here resultant means the if this is point A, this is point B, this is point C. So resultant will be the this is the resultant. This is the resultant AC. This is the resultant AC. So what will be the resultant of these two vectors? This is taken as A vector and this is taken as B vector. So resultant are magnitude. If you say about the magnitude, so this is will be A square plus B square plus 2AB, and the angle between these two vectors is 60. So this is cos 60. What is the value of A? A is the 200 square plus 150 square plus 2 into 200 into 150 into cos 60 is half. Okay, and this will be nothing but the 5037. This will be nothing but 50 to draw 37, and this is 304.1 mile. Okay, and if you want to find out this angle alpha, so tan alpha is 200 is here, 150 sine 60 degree plus 150 cos 60 degree. Okay, sine 60 is 1 by root 3 by 2, and this is 200 plus 150 into half. This is nothing but the 75 root 3 by 275. This is nearly to alpha is tan inverse of this. This is nearly to 25 degree 17 minute. This is the north of west. From west this is towards the north. So this is north of west. This is north of west. Okay, I think clear of this question. Next, find the resultant of the following displacement. These are the four displacement. We want to find out this the following result of this. For a vector 20 miles 30 degrees south of east. If we take this is a north, south, east, west. Okay, so 20 miles 30 degree east of 30 degree east of 30 degree east of 30 degree south of east. So from towards east it is towards the south. This is 30 degree. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. This is 20. This is a vector. This is a vector. This is 30. Okay, next B is 50 miles due west. 50 miles, the B is 50 miles due west, and C is 40 miles northeast. I think this will be north of east. North of east. So 30 degree north of east. This is C, 30 degree north of east. And fourth D is 30 miles 60 degrees south of west. 60 degrees south of west. 60 degrees south of 60 degrees south of west. 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 This is B. So if I divide it into vector component, the C will be component as C cos 30, and along this C sin 30, right? For A, along this A cos 30, and along this A sin 30, D is the divided as D cos 60 and D sin 60. Okay, so we divided all these along the x-axis and y-axis. This is take as x-axis and this is take as y-axis. So along x-axis, along x-axis we get c cos 30 plus a cos 30. What is the value of c? C is the value 40 and cos 30 you know as root 3 by 2 plus a is the value of 20 and value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This is 40, this is 10, that means this is 30 root 3 along the x-axis, and in the opposite there is a 2 along the positive x-axis. Positive x-axis are along negative x-axis. Negative x-axis d plus d cos 60. No, b plus d cos 60. What is the value of b? B is the 50 and d is the value, d value of this 30, cos 60 is half, so this is 15, so this is 65. Since 65 is greater than to 37, so along x-axis, resultant will be 65 minus 30 root 3 along negative, okay. Similarly for y-axis, y-axis will be along positive c sin 30, along positive c sin 30 minus a sin 30 plus d sin 60 along positive, okay. So c is value of 40 miles and sin 30 is half, minus a is the value of 20, sin 30 is half, and d is the value of 30 and cos 60 is half. So you get 20 minus 10 plus 15, that is 25. So this is sin 30 sin, I think this is cos 30 sin 30 sin 30 d 60. So sorry, this is root 3 by 2, this is root 3 by 2, sorry, this is root 3 by 2, sorry. So this is 15 root 3 and this will be 10 minus 15 root 3. Since this is a larger, so this is along positive, so this is 15 root 3 minus 10 along negative, right, along negative y-axis. So you can say, sorry, so if I want to draw along this, so along my negative y-axis, that is west, along negative x-axis, in this value this will be 15. Now in this x-axis this will be 65 minus 30 root 3, and along this direction 15 root 3 minus 10, okay. And resultant, if you find this is the value nearly, this will be the value nearly 13 and this will be the value nearly 16, and if you find this their resultant will be root under 13 square plus 16 square, this will be nearly 20.6 miles, okay. This is the resultant value, and if you want to find out the angle alpha from this angle, so tan alpha is nothing but the 16 by 13 and the alpha is nothing but 50 degree 54 minute. This is the south of west, south of west, okay. I think clear. We divided into the components along x-axis and y-axis, find out the resultant along x-axis, and then find out the resultant along the y-axis, and finally got the of the resultant of these two parts, and get the angle of resultant from this side. Okay, so next question says, suppose a b c d e f are the vertex of the regular hexagon. So you draw a regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon, সুষম ষড়ভুজ, regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon. Okay, I rename as this is A B C D E of. Okay, so we need to find out the resultant of this vector AB vector, AC vector, AD vector, AE vector, AF vector. Okay, so we need to find out the resultant. Resultant means the addition of the vector AB, AC, AD, AE, AF vector, right? So this is AB vector, no problem. AC can be written as AB vector. AC can be written as AB vector plus BC vector. AB vector plus BC vector. Then AD vector the same. AE vector. AE vector. AE vector written as like that. AF vector can be written as AF vector can be written as AE plus EF vector. AE plus EF vector. So this is 2 AB vector, this is BC vector, this is AD vector, this is 2 AE vector and EF vector. And you can see this EF vector is nothing but the minus BC vector. So BC vector cancel out. We get 2 AB vector plus AD vector and AE vector. AE vector can be written as AD vector plus D E vector. A vector can be written as AD vector plus DE vector. So 2 AB vector plus AD and 2 AD, that is 3 AD vector plus 2 DE vector. And DE vector is nothing but minus of AB vector. So this is nothing but the minus of AB vector. So this is minus of AB vector plus 2 AB. So this will be cancelled out. So answer of this question will be 3 AD vector is the answer of this question. Clear? Next, consider vector A and B such that so that this will be followed. So you know the resultant of A vector plus B vector, magnitude of the resultant of two vector is nothing but the A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. And you know the maximum value of cos theta is 1. Maximum value of cos theta is 1. So this will be written as A square plus B square plus 2AB, and this is nothing but A plus B. This is the, if you take a, this is mod, so this is A vector mod and this is B vector mod, and this will be the maximum value. Since this is a maximum value, so value of this will be less than equal to, since this is a maximum value, so this value should be is the less than equal to of this value. This is for question number A. For question number B, the difference of this vector is nothing but A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta, and this is nothing but of this value, your maximum value is 1, and if this is a maximum, this will be the minimum value. So this minimum value will be the A minus B. This will be the maximum, then A square plus B square minus 2AB, which is nothing but A vector minus B vector. This is the minimum value. This is the minimum value. So the minimum value of this is this, so this will be greater than equal to, this will be greater than equal to a vector minus b vector. Since this is the minimum value, so this will be the greater than of these two value. Okay, next question. Next question, so that a vector plus b vector c vector mod is this. So we know the module of a vector plus b vector plus c vector is nothing but root under a vector a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab cos alpha angle between ab plus 2bc cos beta angle between bc plus 2ca cos gamma angle between c and a. And this will be nothing but and the maximum value, this is 1 for maximum, this is also 1, this is also 1. If these three are 1, then it becomes a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and this is nothing but the a plus b plus c the whole square into root. So this is a, that's mean modulus of a plus modulus of b plus modulus of c. Okay, so this is the maximum value, maximum, this is the maximum value. So the value of this so the value of this resultant will be less than equal to a vector mod plus b vector mod plus c vector mod. Since this is the maximum value, so the value of this resultant will be less than or equal to of this, hence this sort. Okay, today is for enough. This is all about me, and this is my contact details. For any query regarding to physics, you can contact with WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next video for the further solution of the supplementary problem of vectors analysis by Spiegel. And this is my YouTube channel. Please like this session if you uh, think some good or you learn something. Please like this session and share this video to your friends who needs to this video, and subscribe this channel. If you new in this channel, you subscribe this channel such that you got this such type of video, or when I publish the video you get the notification. Please press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay home with good health, and study as well you can do. Thank you. Good luck, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.